Şeyda Hanım merhabalar.
Merhaba hocam.
Merhaba. Herhalde saatimize geldi. Katılımcılar da yavaş yavaş geliyor. Başlayabiliriz isterseniz.
Başlayalım hocam.
Konuşmacılarımız tam olarak burada mı acaba?
Georgiana,
Georgiana,
Yana ve Maria.
tamam.
Evet,
Hepsi de
buradalar.
burada değil mi? Tamam. Öncelikle katılımcılardan biraz özür diliyorum. Yani sesim hastalığım sebebiyle kötü geliyor. Kusura bakmayın o yüzden. Öncelikle burada gelen öğrencilerimiz, genelde bu dönemde staj faaliyeti için üniversitemize gelen öğrenciler bulunmakta. Ve bunların bir kısmıyla sizlere onların tecrübelerini anlatacakları bir toplantı düzenlemek istedik. Onlar sırasıyla kendi tecrübelerini, kim olduklarını, ne yaptıklarını anlatacaklardır. Şeyda arkadaşımız da sağ olsun kendileriyle ilgileniyor, bu süreçleri yürütüyor. Kendisi de bu konuda yardımcı olacaktır. First of all, I want to thank to our participants, who is Georgiana, Diana, and Maria. I'll give the word first to Georgiana, I guess, right, Şeyda?
Yes.
Okay. So, Georgia, you can take the word and you can go ahead. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Negrus Georgiana, and I was a student in an Erasmus program at Erasmus University. I am coming from USAM BVT, University of Agricultural Science and Veterinary Medicine from Timișoara, Romania. And I was there in my internship, trainship program for 2 months. I just say my opinion, or you ask me how it works?
If you tell your opinions, it would be better.
Okay, tamam. My program, my internship or staying there was very beautiful, çok güzel from my point of view, and for me that was a very nice experience, and I'm really grateful for that. First, because I learned many things there in my internship program, and secondly, because I met a lot of çok güzel people, very nice people, people from who sorry, I have a bit of emotion. I have friendship. I made friends, good friends and close friends. One of them is also Sheida from the Erasmus office. And I'm really grateful for for the help of everyone from the Erasmus office and Erasmus staff. About the city, I really enjoy also my staying there because the city was quiet enough, and at the same time we could travel around a bit and see the culture, the people, mentality. Also, we had a lot of free time to explore and enjoy the surroundings.
What kind of
maybe
places did you go in Turkey, Georgiana?
We've been to Cappadocia last weekend before we came back to Romania. And we traveled a bit around the city, outside the city, with some friends, but I don't remember names because there were too many, so I can't remember. But I have it here.
Also, you traveled to Ankara and Istanbul.
Yeah, that was in our way, and going and coming back also. In Ankara, we stay like for 1 afternoon, and in Istanbul, 1.5 days, something like that. I really like the Istanbul because when we've been there was during the summer, and we could see and explore more. And also, I really enjoyed the warm weather because I was there during the summer time. So because I love that, I was really very happy for that.
I want to ask another question. How was your internship in Cenkök?
My internship in Cenkök also was very helpful and handy for me. Once because I learned the basic in working in the lab, and secondly because I also could do some of my work for my PhD study, for my paper study there, because the teachers were very helpful and teach me and show me how to do, and they helped me from the beginning. Also, I'm really grateful, and I appreciate the fact that everyone, all the people from there were very kind and friendly with us. So I have just gratefulness for that, for everyone.
Thank you so much. And right now, what is your opinion about Erciyes University? Is there any difference between your university and Erciyes University?
Oh, the difference can be the campus because there the campus is much bigger, includes many more university, but here we have a smaller campus because the university are spread in the town, are not together.
Ben Mustafa'ya selamını söyleyince fiyatı bayağı aşağı çekti.
Çekti. Tamam, yine güzel. Tamam, daha iyi, daha iyi. Tamam oldu. Tamam, sağ ol.
Bir ses bölüyor sanırım öncelikle ofisimizden katıldıkları için.
Ulaş hocam mikrofonunuz açık ama.
Sorry for cutting your word, Georgiana. You can go ahead.
Sorry, I didn't understood.
We cut your word actually. You can go ahead to explain your words.
I can continue. Tamam, anladım. For everything, what can I say in big lines? That now maybe the experience there was much more complex than I can say now in a few words. Because 2 months, even it seems small time, was big enough. Because every day we met new people, have new experiences, walking, everything, seeing the culture, the food also was something new for us there. And at the Bangkok, I'm really happy that also there I met some friends, and because we work with a team, our stay there was very seems much more easier because of that, because even the work was like playing, and because we had a lot of fun there, even we work, we feel like we are having fun all the time. So work was an harmonious way.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you attending our meeting. Thank you for your words.
Thank you, Ayso. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for everything. Çok teşekkür ederim.
Kublečere. And Liana. Liana, are you here?
Yes. Can you hear me well?
Yes.
Okay. That's
Thank you
great.
for joining. Thank you for your attention.
Yes. Should I start immediately? Oh, okay. So hello. I'm Liana. I'm from Malaysia, but I did my master degree in Hungary. It was for agricultural engineering at University of Debrecen. I applied for the Erasmus internship when, like, a couple of months before I graduated last summer. First of all, I would like to give thanks to the Erasmus office for giving me the chance to share my experience doing my internship at RGS University. So I had a lot of thoughts before going for my internship in RGS. I was expecting that I can equip myself with a lot of skills that I was very interested to gain during my internship period. And the process of applying for Erasmus at RGS was very simple. I mean, there was not much difficulties when applying for it. Sheda especially has helped me to go through the process. I asked to be assigned to the environmental engineering department at RGS University, and I was fortunate enough to be given the time to learn from a very dedicated professor at the department. I learned a lot from her, and I could apply what I have learned during my master's degree in Hungary when I was doing my internship in RGS University. It was a very short internship period. I mean, it was only for 2 months. Same goes with Georgiana. We actually somehow applied the internship period during the same time. I mean, I experienced summer and a few weeks of autumn in RGS together with the friends I met there. So I guess it's not that I have only gained learning experience from doing my internship there, but I have also met wonderful people there. And I can say that I have made some very good bonds with them. They have showed me around. I didn't get to spend much around RGS, but I did went for a hike at Ali Mountain together with the interns there. I also have been to Cappadocia once. I even managed to go traveling by myself to Black Sea, which is at Trabzon city, and a couple of nights stay in Istanbul before I went back to my home country, Malaysia. So I guess my whole experience is very wholesome. When I leave RGS University, I feel like I have fulfilled all my needs, all my responsibility that I would like to gain there. And the experience have taught me to be very grateful of what I have learned there, the friendships that I have gained there, and the beautiful city of RGS, of course. Yeah. The reason why I would like to study abroad is to experience all the culture, and Turkish culture is almost similar as in Malaysia, but somehow there are big differences, especially in food. So I get to enjoy Turkish food. So that's a very good thing for me. Yeah. So overall, it is a very good experience for me. Yeah. I think that's it for me. If you have any question, let me know.
Thank you, Liana. Thank you for your words. Thank you for your thoughtful sentences.
Mm-hmm.
And Maria, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. If you want, you can start.
Okay, unfortunately my camera is not working, so I hope it's enough that you hear me. But my name is Maria Kauri. I'm from Finland. I study in the University of Applied Sciences in Kajaani, which is in the north of Finland. My degree is sports management, so I am doing my internship in the Faculty of Sports. And I have only been in Kayseri for 3 weeks, but so far my experiences are only positive. I really enjoy my days here. Everybody who I have met have been really, really helpful. So it was really easy for me to come here and start the internship and get used to the places and the university. And I still haven't been to other countries here because I haven't stayed here for that long yet, but I hope to see other cities as well. And my experiences are quite similar to what the others said. I guess that's what Kayseri and Turkey does to people. And Kayseri as a city, it's really, really beautiful. I really like it here. And I am really thankful for the opportunity to study in a city that is not the capital and it's not the most touristy place. So you can actually see the real life and other places as well. And yeah.
Maria, I want to ask that what was your expectation before coming to Turkey at GS University? And how did you find your internship, university?
Well, I really wanted to do the internship abroad. So I was looking at the opportunities with Erasmus, and this university seemed like a good place. It was really simple and really clear how to apply and what to do there. It happened really fast, so I didn't have high expectations, but it's been only positive. And I was also surprised how big the university is and how many different faculties there are and so many people. And I feel like everybody who is studying there is really enjoying the university.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. And I want to ask all of our interns, would you recommend it to other Erasmus students?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, for me as well. I think it would be good for others to experience internship at RGS University.
Kesinlikle. I recommend it from all my heart because it can be only a good experience that impact you in a good way and learn many things at the same time, open mind.
Thank you. Mehmet Hocam, do you want to say something?
If anyone want to take question to our participants, feel free to ask. Do you have any questions? Our other attendees? No, any question, I guess. First of all, thank you for your participation. You put a lot in our university, actually being an intern in our university. Actually, Maria is still here, and Liana and Georgiana came back to their university, I guess. Thank you for participating in our meeting. Hope to see you again in the future.
There is one question.
Yes.
There's one question.
Yeah, in the chat box.
Yes, Hocam. What were the reasons for choosing Turkey? What motivated you to choose Turkey?
Nice question.
Who wants to start first? Liana, Georgiana, Maria?
I can answer. I chose Turkey because it's a different culture. It's outside European Union, so I wanted to see something different, to experience something different for me. Also, because I just remember now while you are talking, today I had a Zoom here in my country for students who wants to go abroad. So we speak about our experience, where we've been. So I have a PowerPoint. I presented the PowerPoint with pictures from my experience at your university, and they really liked it.
Yeah.
Maybe I can go next.
Yes, please.
Okay. Yeah, I guess the same reason as Georgiana's. I would like to see something different, and I guess from what I can see myself, from the outside, Turkish culture is much different than European culture in a way that, I mean, at least for me personally, because a lot of Muslim population can be found here. So I think that is very interesting. I have been in Hungary for 2 years, and I could get something new for a change, that is to get familiar myself with Muslim culture around me. Yeah, I guess that's it.
Thank you. Maria, do you have anything to say?
Yes, for me, well, I also wanted a different environment for the internship, and I wanted to go outside of Finland. And I thought that it would be easier to be in a country that is a part of the European Union, but because Turkey or this university was a part of the Erasmus Plus thing, then it was just as easy. And Turkey is a fascinating country, so I really wanted to see the life here.
Okay, thank you. I think that's all. Is there another question?
No more question, I guess.
Yes.
So thank you for your participation, guys. As I said before, hope to see you again in the future in our university or somewhere else. So I'm actually ending the meeting. Is there any question? Do you have any word to say, Liliana, Georgiana, and Maria?
I just want to thank you to all of you and recommend to the students to go to your university in internship or study, doesn't matter, because that is a place for a lot of experience, not only from professional point of view, but also as a human.
Thanks a lot.
Oh, I guess, yeah. If the students would like to go for an internship, I would highly suggest to go for something new to themselves, new environment, new country. Grab the opportunity if you have to, because they don't come easily, and if you experience it, you would have definitely enjoyed the whole experience. Yeah.
Thanks. No more word, I guess. Okay. As I said, see you again. And I'm ending the meeting. So goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you, everyone.
Çok güzel jet gibi bir